Hi everyone, this is Hemashree. Currently I am pursuing my MBA second semester. So recently I have got enrollment on Alpha Tech Academy for my advanced Excel learning. I am the girl with the no prior knowledge about the Excel. Under the guidance of Sridhar sir from Alpha Tech Academy, I would say it's really exciting to be a part of it. Sir have got down to the ground level of my stage and make me feel understand. Now I am in a position where I can deal with the advanced Excel. I am really thankful to Sridhar sir and Alpha Tech Academy for providing. I am looking further more courses like Power BI something I am planning to take from Alpha Tech. I am really happy to share that thanks to Alpha Tech for making me feel better.